Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to link an external account to First Merchants Bank. If you don't have a First Merchants Bank account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get a $50 MasterCard reward card when you open a personal checking account or auto loan. However, if you already have an account, open the website firstmerchants.com, then sign in with your login ID. Now, enter your password, then click on Sign In. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the Pay and Transfer tab. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Make an External Transfer. Click on Make an External Transfer. On this page, you will see a section for Transfer Resources. Under Transfer Resources is an option for Add External Account. Click on Add External Account. On the pop-up window, enter all the required information about your external account. After entering, click on Continue. Lastly, review the account details. If everything looks good, click on the tick box to confirm that you are the authorized owner of the account. Then click on Confirm. That's how you link an external account to First Merchants Bank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.